Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I thought that I would do a makeup review on a new set that I was recently sent, and it's by the brand Doll 10. So this set is their 10 minutes to a flawless face set, and you basically get everything you need to create a nice fresh looking face in under 10 minutes. So in this Doll 10 set you get 6 face products, cream blush, 1 cream highlight, a kabuki brush, and you also get a foundation, and you can choose the shade of your foundation. I have the medium shade. There's also a lengthening and volumizing mascara, as well as a nice natural lipstick. Okay, so I'm going to give you a bit of a close-up on the products here. So all of these products are full size, and I'll leave all the information down below, such as the price and the name of all the products. So I'm going to start off by applying the foundation. So this foundation is the Anti-Stress Skin Perfector. This has a lot of beneficial ingredients for your face. It has turmeric extract, cucumber extract, aloe vera extract, magnesium, vitamin C, as well as a lot of other great ingredients that help nourish your skin. It also gives you a really nice coverage, and I'm going to apply a small amount. It comes with this little pump here, so it's really easy to apply. So I'm going to just apply a small amount. I don't have anything on my skin at the moment, so I'm just going to start from scratch and just use all of these products and show you that you can create a really simple, easy, fresh makeup with just a few products. So I kind of just dot it all around and then use the kabuki brush to blend that in. And it created a really nice kind of even base to my complexion. I'm going to make sure now that everything's blended in with this larger mirror. What I like about this foundation, even though it gives you really nice coverage, it doesn't look like I'm wearing a lot of foundation. It's not matte and it's not dewy, so I think it's a really natural kind of finish to the skin. So now I'm going to apply a bit of concealer. I'm going to apply this Maybelline Dark Circle Eraser just a little bit underneath my eyes. And I always apply concealer every day, so I'm just going to apply a little bit. And I don't really need to apply that much because that foundation definitely did a great job of covering any little imperfections. Just going to use this little brush. Okay, so for my eyebrows, I'm just going to apply a little bit of brow pencil, and this is just by Bobbi Brown. I love this one because it's so simple and it's really forgiving. So if you don't have much time and you kind of just draw this on your eyebrows, it's not going to look too harsh at all. So now I'm going to apply a little bit of blush, and I love this blush because it's so natural. It's in the shade She's a Doll, and I feel like this is going to be like that perfect blush. It's going to give you that really nice glowy cheek and still look really natural. So that's the shade there. On me it's kind of like a rosy neutral kind of shade, or rosy nude. And then what I like to do is just apply a little bit of this in my brow bone, just to give my eye a bit of color and definition with the eyeshadow. And you will often see makeup artists do that. Whatever blush they use on their cheeks, they sometimes like to put a little bit into their kind of like eye socket here, and that just helps to make the look all put together. I'm going to actually apply a little bit of this on my cheeks as well, because I feel like you could definitely use that on your lips. And it's a really pretty shade for every single day, and it's not going to settle into your any lines or any pores. I find that it looks pretty natural and it looks really nice on my skin. I'll apply a little bit more just so you can see that it builds up a little bit. Who else likes these type of sets where the kind of guesswork is all done for you and you just have a nice set that you can use for every day, and everything's kind of matches together? I feel like it's great for anyone that doesn't have time to go to makeup or beauty counters, have time to pick out the basics like your mascara, your like foundation and cheek. You just want something all in one kind of little set you don't have to think about. So that is the blush. It's very natural. I think it's a really nice shade. So I have the highlighter as well, and this is the H2 Glow in Doll Glow, and this is more of a golden champagne highlighter. So you can see that it's pretty golden, and it just gives you a really nice natural kind of luminosity to your skin. It's not necessarily a highlighter that's going to give you that really intense highlight. It's going to give you that really beautiful natural everyday glow, and that's what I like for during the day. I don't know if you can see that there. And it's very like smooth to apply, and what I like, you just kind of blend it like that and you're done. It blends very easily. There's also hyaluronic acid in here, so that's going to help plump up your cheeks and moisturize your cheeks as well. I always like to apply some on my Cupid's bow. I feel like that makes your lips look more plump, and I apply some on my lip as well. If there's hyaluronic acid in there, I think we should be putting it on our lips as well. So now onto mascara, a product that I literally love to wear every day. This is the Effort Lash XL Lash Expanding Mascara. And it says here, I've written down the benefits. There are 6 benefits to this mascara. It instantly lifts your lashes, lengthens them, it conditions them, styles and separates. There's B vitamins in there, and there's a lot of great ingredients for your lashes. So this is what the wand looks like. So I don't have anything on my lashes now at all. So I'm going to apply one coat and show you. So it definitely lengthened my lashes a lot and separated them with just one coat. So I'm going to go in with another coat. Normally I will use about 2 coats during the day, or 1 coat. I never wear false eyelashes. So I feel like this, with a few coats, you're going to get that really nice length and separation that you get with applying, like, you know, those small individual eyelashes. Like, it's giving me that effect. And I feel like with every coat I put on, it's not clumping my eyelashes together, which I really like, because if I want to put like 5 coats of mascara on, I still want my eyelashes to look natural. I'm going to apply some of that on my bottom lashes. So the last product I have in the set is the Doll Kisses lipstick, and this is the shade here. It's kind of like a pinky peach shade, which is going to be really flattering. So I'm going to apply that without any lip liner, just so you can see. I'm applying this without a mirror as well. So. Okay, it's extremely creamy, gives you a really nice coverage. I like to kind of press my lips together to create more of a natural lip shape. And that is the lip. So guys, this is the finished look. I really enjoyed using this set. I feel like I still look like myself. The makeup is really natural, and I've created a really nice kind of fresh, natural looking skin for during the day. It would be great for work, or even a morning event or a work event that you may be going to, even a date. I feel like this is just like such a pretty natural makeup look that you could incorporate into your daily kind of makeup routine. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below if you kind of like these makeup sets that are already put together. And leave me a comment down below. I'd love to know. And I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great week, guys. Bye.